Dear students, good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss about Unit 2 Force and Motion. In previous class, measurement was completed. The importance fundamental quantities 3 mass, time and length is previous class completed. Today new topic Unit 2 Force and Motion. First one, force. So in our day life, we often object move from one place to another, push or pull, exerted by one body to another is called a force. What is force? The force can be defined as the external agent that tends to change the state of rest or motion of object. So what is force or define force? Force can be defined as the external agent that tends to change the state of rest or motion of an object. So what is the unit of force? Unit of force. Unit of force, Newton, dyne, kilogram, meter by second square. So unit of force, Newton, dyne, kilogram, meter by second square. So what is the SI unit of force? SI unit of force. SI unit of force. SI unit of force, Newton. Symbol capital N. So SI, what is the SI? International System of Unit. SI unit of force, Newton, N. So unit of force, Newton, dyne, kilogram, meter by second square. So force formula. Force formula, force equal to mass into acceleration. Force equal to mass into acceleration. What is a mass? Amount of matter present in your body is called mass. Mass is the fundamental quantities. Already you know for mass. So unit of mass, kilogram, kg. Unit of mass, kilogram, symbol kg. So what is acceleration? The rate of change of velocity equal to acceleration. So unit of acceleration, meter by second square. Unit of acceleration, meter by second square. Force symbol, that is F equal to mass m into A. So force formula, that is F equal to m into A. M means mass, A means acceleration. Unit of mass, kilogram. Unit of acceleration, meter by second square. So is F equal to m into A. So another one formula, that is m equal to, what is the mass formula? That is F divided by A. What is the acceleration formula? That is A equal to F divided by m. Solved problems. So go give the values. So mass equal to, mass m equal to 2 kilogram, acceleration A equal to 3 meter by second square. Find out force. force F equal to dash. So mass 2 kilogram, acceleration 3 meter by second square. What is the force act on the object? Find out F. It is force formula F equal to m into A. So mass value m equal to 2 kilogram, acceleration 3 meter by second square. So 2 3s are 6. So 2 3s are 6 kilogram meter by second square or Newton, N symbols. So F equal to 6 kilogram meter by second square or Newton. Another one example problem. The first one, second one, give the value A equal to acceleration A equal to 3 meter by second square, force F equal to 6 kilogram meter by second square. Find out mass values. So mass formula, it is m equal to force formula F equal to m into A. It is mass formula A comes this side, that is F divided by A equal to m. It is m equal to F divided by A. So m equal to mass equal to F value 6 divided by acceleration value 3. So 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. That is mass m equal to 2 kilogram. So another one example problem. Next, third one, another one model example problem. So give for mass value m equal to 2 kilogram, force F equal to 6 Newton or kilogram meter by second square. Find out acceleration. That is acceleration formula F is equal to m into A. M come this side, F divided by m equal to A. That is A equal to F divided by m. So acceleration A equal to F value 6 Newton, 6 divided by mass equal to 2 kilogram. So 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. That is acceleration A equal to 3 meter by second square. So force formula, force equal to mass into acceleration, force symbol F, mass symbol m, acceleration symbols A. Unit of mass kilogram or SI unit of mass kilogram. So already you know for multiple unit of mass, submultiple unit of mass, quintal, ton, so etc. for multiple unit of mass, milligram, centigram, submultiple unit of mass. What is the SI unit of mass? Is a kilogram. So acceleration unit meter by second square. So F equal to ma. So direct give for mass value, acceleration value, find out mass using for this formula. Give for force value, acceleration value, find out mass using this formula. And give force for value and the mass value, find out acceleration using this formula A equal to F divided by m. So example problem, first one, this model one problem is completed, second one model, third one, 3 problems are completed. Listen, next types of force. Force are for 2 types. One is a contact force, another one non-contact force. Contact force examples muscular force, frictional force. Non-contact force examples है magnetic force, gravitational force, next electrostatics force. So types of force है contact force, non-contact force. Contact force examples है muscular force and frictional force. Non-contact force है magnetic force, gravitational force and electrostatic force. What is a contact force? What is contact force? Force which act on object only when the body is in contact with them are called a contact force. What is a contact force? The force act on object only when the body is in contact with the force is known as contact force. Non-contact force, the force act on your body when not contact with the another body is called non-contact force. Contact force examples is a muscular force. What is a muscular force? What is muscular force? First one, muscular force. Using for our muscles, it is force exerted by muscles is called muscular force. Examples say throwing, kicking or catching a ball, swimming, exercising for weightlifting, so etc. for is a muscular force examples. Next frictional force. Frictional force. What is a frictional force? The force comes into play when the body tends to move over another and the opposite direction is called frictional force. What is a frictional force? The force acts coming into play when one body to another in opposite direction is called a frictional force. Frictional force examples say producing fire using matchbox and a matchstick, grinding, so etc. for frictional force examples. Next non-contact force. Non-contact, the force act on object when not in contact with them are called a non-contact force. So non-contact force example है so magnetic force. Magnetic force. Magnetic force. What is magnetic force? The force exerted by magnet on iron pieces or iron filing is called magnetic force. So what is the magnetic force? The force exerted by magnet on iron piece or iron filing is called magnetic force. Magnetic force examples say the attraction between the magnet and iron filings is examples of magnetic force. Next, gravitational force. Gravitational force. The earth attracts all the object towards its center. The force exerted by earth is called gravitational force. The force exerted by earth is called gravitational force. Example, falling a leaf, the falling of fruits on a tree. So examples for gravitational force. Example for non-conductive force. Next, electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force, the force exerted by electric charge is called electrostatic force. Example, a plastic comb rubbed with fur attracts for bits of paper. So examples for electrostatic force. So types of force: contact force, non-contact force. What is a contact force? The force act on object only when the body is contact with the force is called contact force. Non-contact force, the force act on object when not contact with the force is called non-contact force. Contact force, example, muscular force, frictional force. Non-contact force, magnetic force, gravitational force, and electrostatic force. Next, effects of force. Next, effect of force. Effect of force. Force can said to be stationary object objects in motion. Next, second one, force can stop the moving object or slow down. Next, force can be change the direction of moving objects. Next, force can be change the shape of object. Shape and size of the object. So what is the effect of force? Force can said to be stationary object in motion. Force can stop the moving object or slow down. Force can be change the direction of moving objects. Force can be change the shape and size of the objects. And rest. We see many things around us. Some objects are moving, some objects are rest. We can see surroundings, desk, bench, table, mountains, tree, etc. for rest. We can see the moving object on the road, bus, car, truck, so etc. for motion. So what is the motion? What is motion? When there is change the position of object with respect to the time is called motion. It is if it stationary, it is called a rest. If it's stationary, it is called rest. So what is motion? When there is change the position of object with respect to the time is called motion. If it is stationary, do not change the position, continuously for same place, it is called rest. Types of motion. Types of motion: linear motion, curvilinear motion, circular motion, rotatory motion, oscillatory or vibratory motion, zigzag motion or random motion. So types of motion: linear motion, curvilinear motion, circular motion, rotatory motion, vibratory motion or oscillatory motion, random motion or zigzag motion or irregular motion. Next is periodic motion, non-periodic motion. First one, linear motion. When a body move in straight line is called linear motion. Example, a person walking on a straight path is example for linear motion. Coconut falling from a tree is a linear motion. Athlete 100 meters runnings, examples for linear motion. Next is curvilinear motion. Curvilinear motions means when an object moves in a curved path is called curvilinear motion. Example, a car moving on the curved path. So example for curvilinear motion. So object move in a curved path is called curvilinear motion. Next is circular motion. When an object move in a circle is called circular motion. Example, revolution of moon, revolution of earth. So example for circular motion. Next is rotatory motion. When the object moves about its own axis is called rotatory motions. Examples, a spinning top, merry-go-round, fan, rotating fan. So examples for rotatory motions. Vibratory motion, a body coming back, same position after fixed interval of time is called vibratory motion. Example, a pendulum, swing, tuning fork, so etc. for oscillatory or vibratory motion. Next, random motion. The motion takes place different direction, different speed is called random motion. Example, fish movement in a fish tank, a people walking on a crowded street. So examples for random motion. Periodic motion, the motion takes place, same motion, fixed interval of time is called periodic motion. Example, earth rotation, revolution of moon, revolution of earth is for periodic motions. Next, non-periodic motion, the motion takes place, same motion, not equal interval of time is called non-periodic motion. Examples, earthquake, tsunami, so etc. for non-periodic motion examples. Next, types of motion, linear motion, curvilinear motion, circular motion, rotatory motion, vibratory motion, random motion, periodic motion and non-periodic motion. So remaining topics discuss next class. Thank you.